I'm Gareth and I am a director at ElderFit. I coach some of the sessions as well as hoping to grow the company now. So we have more sessions across Cardiff and the Vale of Glamorgan. We started ElderFit in 2015 by chance really. One of the care homes, local care homes, invited us in to try and do an exercise session for the residents. Quickly realised that there's a need for this out in the community. So we developed classes in places like Mysocoid in the community centre so that people could come along, socialise, interact with like-minded people and do some exercise. So an ElderFit class is strength and balance. So it's all based around falls prevention. We'll never ask anyone to do anything they don't feel comfortable doing. There needs to be an element of challenge. So we do get people standing up, lunging and squatting. It's a very sociable, friendly environment. Everyone feels welcome when they come along and it's progressive. So what we try to do is, with the resistance bands in particular, we change them every 10 weeks. They make them a little bit tougher with the resistance. And we've seen some great results. I think it's extremely important to the health service. I mean, all it's going to take is one little fall and that could have a massive knock-on effect with regards to maybe somebody having to come to the house regularly to help them out. If somebody falls and breaks their hips, that's a long stay in hospital. So what we're trying to do is prevent that rather than wait for it to happen. We want to improve the strength, their balance. The big goal really is to try to help them to maintain their independence for longer. It's amazing. I can't tell you how much I love it and how much I get out of doing the classes. I think it's really important for some people as well to meet people who are living with similar conditions to themselves. They don't feel like they're alone anymore, and that they're able to do things then outside of the classes. So we've got book clubs and we go for bike rides and pedal power, and our Christmas party is coming up soon. And it's just nice to get people together really and see them smiling. We recommend, as the guidelines do, 3 to 5 times a week. I know there's 150 minutes of moderate or 75 minutes of high intensity exercise. So what we developed a few years ago was an exercise DVD, and we offer that to people. They can practice at home. And what we try to do in the classes is go through functional movements. So movements that they would need in their daily lives. So a sit to stand, for example, or the functional reach, putting some shopping away in the cupboard. All these things that will allow them to continue to carry out their activities of daily living, really. They are completely open access, our sessions. It's just a case of turning up, finding a venue that suits you and a time that suits you. They can give us a call, the instructors. We can put their minds at ease, tell them what the session involves, and just come along and try it.